Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ASUS router settings step by step clearly. To begin, make sure your computer or device is connected to the ASUS router. You can connect via Wi-Fi or using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in the default IP address for the router. Common addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.50.1. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You should see a login page for the ASUS router. Enter the default username and password. The default username is usually admin. The default password is also typically admin or may be blank. If you have changed these credentials and forgotten them, you may need to reset the router. Once you have entered the correct username and password, click the Login button. You will be directed to the router's settings dashboard. From here, you can configure various settings as needed. Be sure to change the default login credentials to enhance your security. Explore the various tabs and sections to familiarize yourself with the options available. Make the necessary adjustments to settings like Wi-Fi network name and password. When you are done, look for an option to save or apply changes. Click it to ensure your settings are updated. Log out of the router settings when you have finished. To do this, locate the Logout button, usually found in the top navigation menu. Now you are ready to use your network with the new settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.